Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I came bearing good news. Yeah, good news, guys, because we found a game that pays you to play. Yes, the game literally pays you in naira to play the game and enjoy yourself. So the name of the game is called Hifami, and I'm going to drop the link on the description so you guys can jump on this huge opportunity right now. So remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme that people put out on the internet all the time. No, this game is the game that you can take your time, you can relax yourself and like play your game at your own convenient time and also bag out from this game. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the game and also how to withdraw the game. They have I think they have like two payment methods that you can use. One, you can use your OPay or PayPal to cash out your money from the game, and also you can use your USDC, like a crypto address, to cash out the money from your game. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys so you understand how to use this game and also how to make money from this game. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I urge you to do that right now because you are missing out. If you haven't done that, you are literally missing out. You're missing out from the opportunities that is coming from this channel. You're missing out from the information that is coming from this channel. And I don't want you to do that anymore. So this channel, what we do is to bring you free tips that can help you in money. So, and this game is one of them. So stick around in this video. Stick around in this video while you learn how to do that on your own. Is when you've played for a long time, you can see over here on my level icon that I am in level 50. So I can choose to withdraw my money right now if I want, or I can choose to play more games to accumulate more funds. So what I literally do on this game is just clear the scraps here. Just click on this harvest scraps, and after that I'm going to play a dice game by clicking on this dice area and then play the dice game. So what we're going to do now, you can see invite friend reward. You are getting close to 90,000 naira if you invite a friend. So if you click on this invite area, it's going to open up to a new interface that says invite friends to earn 90,000 diamond, 90,000 naira. You can see that. So if you scroll down here, you can see my invite now link. So the best part of it is that once I invite a friend, my friend is getting 150 naira instant welcome bonus after creating account with my invitation code. So I'm going to drop it on the channel, on the description, so you can be able to jump on and get that opportunity. And then if any of your friends uses your promo code to register, you are getting 300 naira instant bonus. Okay, so this is how it is now. So you can start with level 1, reach to level 10 and you get 100 diamond. Level 15 you get 150 diamond, and level 20 you get 300 diamond. Mind you, these diamonds are money. So for us to see the diamonds, to convert them to money, we're going to click on this our red pocket area here. Clicking on this red pocket area, you can see that I have a 15,000 withdrawal, which is a 20,000 diamond that I will make very soon. I will withdraw very soon on this video. So this is where you see your earnings. Okay, then if you want to earn more, this is where you see the stuffs, the tasks that you need to do to earn more. So if you go back to this area, we click on this area, this red pocket that says upgrade to 51. We're going to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to come up with a lot of things here that says play Monopoly, buy a top up gift pack, harvest crops. That's the first thing we do it, and daily tasks. So we're going to check out our daily tasks to see what we need to do. Now you can see play Monopoly for 2 rounds. We have a gift to claim, so we're going to claim this gift here. After claiming this gift, we have our earners here. See how much we've earned. We're going to claim them. We're going to claim this. We're going to claim this very one here. Okay, after claiming all this, you can choose to withdraw if you want, but we don't want to withdraw now because we're still showing you guys how to operate on this game. So we can go to family area, and they will ask you to join a family, so you can be able you need to join the family room so you can be able to be claiming all these things. Because if I click on this claim now, you will see that it has a request failed. It's because I've not been on the family for a while. And for you to be earning most of these things, you need to be entering the rooms frequently so you can earn all these benefits from that area. So we'll go back here now. So the next thing we're going to do is to create a new account. So I'm going to use my invitation code to create a new account. So after creating a new account, we're going to play a little bit of the game, so you see how we can set up our account and withdraw our money. So guys, stick around on this video. So all I need to do now is to scroll down and copy my invitation code. After copying my invitation code, I'm going to go back to the account and log out. So I'm going to log out. So I'm going to go to my settings area and sign out my account. So now once you sign out, you can see that there's options for you to create with your Google. There's options for you to create with your Facebook login. There's options for you to create with your TikTok account. So what we're going to do here is to use my TikTok account to log in this game. So I'm going to use my TikTok account to log in this game. I'm going to click on continue. So while clicking on continue, you can see that they asked me to set up my account this way. I'm going to click on confirm. So this is the name I'm going to use for my account. I'm going to put in this. Now this is where you put in your invitation code. Remember guys, I copied my invitation code, so this is where I'm going to paste it. So after pasting my invitation code, what I am going to do is click on complete. So I'm going to click on complete now. So clicking on complete now, my account is going to open up. Mind you, there's a lot of sound on this account. So this is how it looks like when you create a new account. So I'm going to tap on this and then tap on this harvesting area, and then they are going to ask me to play the Monopoly game. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on this game. Once it's up, I'm going to click on this area and hold it, and then this is just how the game is. So you are just there eating and collecting coins and money. You can also play with this if you want, and play with this if you want, play with this. It's very easy guys. It's very easy for you to get money on this game. So after playing this game here, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw the little money that you just made from this game. So on this area now, what you can see here is you leveling up your level from just playing this game for the first time. So I'm going to show you guys another trick again. This area that says taxes, you can also rob people here to get more coin. This area that says taxes, you can claim the taxes like the coins, the dice. You can claim the dice on this area by clicking on this claim area. So once you click on the claim area, you can see that your dice has increased. So that's enough from this area. We're going to exit this game. Say room. I mean to say we're going to exit this room. So I'm going to take my weekly reward. Remember, there's a lot of things for you to do in this area. You have so many things to do, so many things, so many taxes to do. Like I showed you on my own account, you have so many taxes to do on this area. So I'm going to get to it. So let's click on this red pockets area. So clicking on this red pockets area, you can see that we can go to this diamond area here, and you can see that you need to come up with something before come up with this 1500 diamond before you can be able to withdraw it straight to your account. So you need to come up with 1500 before you can be able to withdraw it to your account. So coming over here, you can see level up to 50 to unlock your 15,000. So once you play this game to level 50, you will unlock this 15,000 red pockets, and automatically you can be able to withdraw it once your red pocket is up to 15,000. So don't mind anybody that is telling you that once you get to level 50 you can be able to withdraw 15,000. That is a lie. You will have to accumulate the amount to 15,000 on your red pockets before you can be able to withdraw. Okay, before you can be able to withdraw your money. So once you withdraw your money, you are going to see the data here, and then you can see your incomes here. These are the incomes, these are the money you are making. You can see them here. So the more you play the game, you don't have to stress yourself. The more you accumulate your red pocket amount. Okay, so in the process, we're going to go to our profile. We'll go to our profile here, and we'll go to our settings. Let's see if I'm able to put up our account here. So we cannot put up our account because we are not ready to withdraw. You can only put up your account when you are ready to withdraw. Now over here, you can buy coins if you want from them, and then you can also check your earnings if you want to check them. So to earn more now, you can invite your friends to earn 400 diamond. You can also get red pockets and redeem diamonds. You can also become a trainee or superstar to earn a large numbers of diamonds. So it depends on what you can actually do, but once you come up to this amount of money here, once you come up to this amount of money, you can be able to attach your withdrawal method. Once you click on this withdraw, they will show you options of your OPay account, your PayPal account, or your USDC account. So guys, this is how easy it is for you to play this game and win money. So going to this room now, so you'll be entering rooms just to play your Monopoly games and also win money. So they're telling you to withdraw your 150. Let's click on this area and see if we can be able to withdraw. No, we cannot withdraw. The one time only per device. Okay, because I've used this in 2 devices, that is why I cannot claim this 150. But for you that is using it in your device, you can claim this 150. I've used this before, that is why I cannot claim this 150 anymore. But for you, you can use it and claim it and set your withdrawal method by simply clicking on this withdraw icon here, and it will set you up to what you want to do, guys. So this is how you can play this game and also get paid. Don't forget to use my invitation code for you to get your 150 and for you to be able to claim your money. So if you're getting 150 from me plus the 150 you have, it's going to be 300 for you to activate your account. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. So guys, see you on the next one.